wake up, the morning is bright. India shines in golden light. Tricolor waving, proud and free. A beautiful land for you and me.
Yeah, we love you. Orange, white, and green, so true. Let us sing and let us say, Happy Independence Day. India, proud and free. You are our home, our family.
Tells us, be brave and strong. White brings peace where we belong. Green reminds us of fields and trees, growing together with love and peace. We remember heroes brave and kind, who dreamed of freedom in their mind. With courage, hope, and hearts so strong, they helped our nation move along. Mountains high to oceans blue, India has a place for you. Many languages, cultures, and ways, together we shine on Independence Day.
India is a land of colors bright, with sunny days and stars at night. From Kashmir's hills to Kerala's shore, there are wonderful places to explore.
Muslim, Sikh, and Christian, many hearts with one ambition. Different languages, different ways, together we shine on all our days. We are children young and bright, learning to do what is good and right. Help a friend and share a smile, make our India proud all the while. We dream of peace, we dream of cheer, a happy India year by year. We learn, we grow, we do our part, with helping hands and a caring heart.
India, India, we love you. Our hearts are proud, our dreams are new. Wave the flag and proudly say, Happy Independence Day. Clap for India. Stomp, stomp, stomp with pride. Wave, wave, wave the tricolor. Side by side, side by side.
Up high and touch the sky. Let your little dreams fly high. Smile and cheer, hip hip hooray. Happy Independence Day.
Let us learn, let us grow. Let kindness and friendship flow. Jai Hind, hip hip. Happy Independence Day. Thank you for singing with us today. Keep smiling, learning, and shining away. Happy Independence Day from Kids Wonder Zone!